Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this week's marketing highlight. My name is Sam, and in association with my partner Ryan, we will be taking an in-depth look at the innovative genius of Mercedes-Benz and their #YouDrive campaign from 2012. Mercedes-Benz is a specialty car company originating from Germany that typically produces luxury cars aimed at the upper-class citizen. The rule of thumb for this upper market is that it generally consists of high-income earners that also happen to be people who witnessed the world before mobile phones. To launch their new model, the A-Class, Mercedes decided that they would need to take a different approach to their long-established marketing strategy. This is where Mercedes determined they needed to look at a differentiated targeting strategy. In order to accomplish this, Mercedes needed to segment the market to refine the demographic to whom they wish to market their product. So let's take a look at an overview of the YouDrive campaign.
To launch the new Mercedes A-Class to a younger audience, we brought together social media and TV to create an innovative dual-screen event. Using Twitter, viewers drove the action of a story told over the course of 3 commercial breaks in the same TV show, The X Factor. Hashtags in each commercial enabled viewers to steer the story. Viewers could follow the voting on a YouDrive site. 2 potential commercials were filmed for each break, and viewers decided which went on air. The next commercial invited viewers to drive the action further. Viewers were prepared for the event by a multimedia seeding campaign. After the launch, all the action not shown on TV plus alternative endings and extended footage was placed on the YouTube YouDrive channel, enabling visitors to drive their own stories. Google recorded 3,800,000 channel views. What Twitter recorded that the number of YouDrive tweets overtook those for the TV show itself. YouDrive from Mercedes-Benz.
The YouDrive campaign was created by Mercedes-Benz with the intent to increase sales to a younger audience between the ages of 25 and 44 years, and break the stereotype that Mercedes models were designed for people entering retirement age. This was an attempt at increasing interaction with the Mercedes-Benz brand amongst younger drivers. Mercedes made the logical decision to incorporate social media in the equation to reach out to younger drivers. By doing so, the consumers had complete control over which direction the advertisement would take through tweeting. As you can see in the example, there are a number of scenarios that could be shown. The A-Class is a sporty hatchback that was decidedly not designed for those who suffer from back problems, but is very appealing to younger audiences, with its fashionable looks and reasonable price, compared to that of many of the other Mercedes offerings. The campaign highlights the benefits of the new A-Class by showing it handling well in extreme circumstances, portraying excitement and rebelliousness. This created a desire to be involved by allowing the audience to interact with the advertisement, thereby allowing the viewer to experience these attributes gained by owning the product. By turning the need for transport into a want for status, style, and excitement, Mercedes-Benz directly communicated to those who care most about such symbols, people between the mid-20s and early 40s. These people, who have never had to deal with a lack of a remote control, also happen to be the most prevalent watchers of reality television shows like X Factor. These people also happen to have the ability to use social media, and frequently do so during advertisement breaks. Mercedes made a profitable decision to air the introductory advertisement during primetime viewing hours in the midst of X Factor UK. As a result of this, Google reported a 360% increase in organic A-class related searches during the launch weekend. Also, with 140 million social media views, the campaign was marked a success. Through such success, the decision-making process was significantly shortened, with the amount of people searching for more information on the new A-Class. This reduced the level of involvement that consumers would generally associate with purchasing a typical Mercedes-Benz vehicle by limiting the brand awareness of any of the potential Mercedes competitors. The U-Drive campaign engaged more market awareness amongst young people by combining social media and traditional TV advertising to create an interactive experience. By examining television viewer behavior, it was found that 77% of the time people are active on another device, and 42% of that time it is social networking. This led to the idea of having a TV advertisement that dynamically changed depending on what the viewers wanted to see. This is where the genius of Mercedes-Benz was realized, with David George, the marketing director of Mercedes-Benz UK, stating, "Our strategy is led by the way consumers now interact with advertising. People no longer want to just listen to brands, they want to interact with them. That's critical." The U-Drive campaign resulted in a massive increase in sales and a market share increase within the hatchback market from 0.4% to 6.2%. This was accompanied by a very impressive 9-to-1 return on all marketing expenditure and a 140% increase in brochure requests. This shows that not only did masses of people see the advertisement, but that they were intrigued and wanted to learn more about the new A-Class. Due to the innovative approach to reaching a new market segment, alongside great success in achieving all the goals that were set by the marketing department of Mercedes-Benz, the U-Drive campaign will forever be remembered as a successful campaign that achieved its goals despite all challenges to the Mercedes-Benz brand. Thank you for watching this video on the innovation of the #U-Drive campaign created by Mercedes-Benz. Here is a quick look at the original introductory advertisement aired during X Factor UK in 2012.